Hello everyone, Akash here. New hair lotion and the Biotin hair serum. People are, like some of the question I see, some people say Biotin is working for them. Some people say New hair lotion is working for them. And I realize, personally myself, absolutely both product are good product in the market. But if you lost less than 40% of your hair, these two product really works. And you have to compare the pricing between them, what kind of ingredients you have between them, and how the best way to use it, and how long do you use it. Before I get into this, are you eating healthy? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you working out? Are you sleeping on time? You taking care of yourself, you loving yourself. Do you do all those things? Those are very important thing in life, to be healthy in life, to have, because not only one reason you lose hair is so many things could go wrong. So if you're eating right, and if you're thinking you do sleeping and you working out, you're doing everything right, still you're losing hair, and you lost less than 40% of your hair, these two products absolutely should help you. Personally, it did help me. Again, everybody's hair situation different. If biotin works for somebody, maybe neurohalation works for somebody. Sometimes biotin not working for you, but the neurohalation working for you. It's everybody's like hair situation, and like everything is different. So it really depends. So let's start with the near hair lotion. People always ask me what kind of ingredients in this. It has a purified water, it has a ginseng extract, it has a saw palmetto extract, it has a cantaloupe extract. So those are the extract, the basic ingredients in it. And you shake it well. I always tell them use it in the morning when your hair is clean and dry. That's the time you use it, and it dries out pretty quick, and you see a rapid hair growth. And also, if you want to see new hair growth, I would say I start to see like using more than one bottle. So one bottle you're using, you see some different to your hair, get another bottle and continue it. Because if something working for you, absolutely you have to continue, and make sure every day, make sure you get all the nutrition you need in your body. If you're not getting enough, if you're thinking you're lacking about something, you're busy or whatever, then you go in my playlist channel and you check out all hair growth products. There is some good hair supplement that you could take daily. And again, once your hair is back thicker and fuller, you have to stop taking supplement. You have to stop using anything you want. You completely stop those things. You just get a hair oil. You could check it out in my channel playlist. Some good natural hair oil. After when you recover all your hair, you just use that. That should help you keep your hair, because we lose a lot of hair every time you take a shower, and every morning you wake up. So once you're using that hair oil 100% pure, then you're gonna see less and less hair. But like if you lost less than 40%, that's definitely. Again, the biotin you have to look at. Biotin is been, they had many, I saw it like a study they had on biotin for 2015. So they have a clinically study biotin for over the years, and there is some good result for biotin for your hair. So there is a proven result. I would say you could just go and Google it article, you'll see many different for the supplement, for this serum. So the biotin is basically from bee family, and especially some of the food we eat, and there's the biotin, it turns into energy. That's how it helps your hair, skin, nail, and everything. So basically it's also from, you could say, like family of vitamin H. That's what it is. So many study done. So when I Google it, like many study about side effect, hardly there is any side effect. There is no like a big study or anything says they have a side effect for biotin. So I personally used it, and I take a biotin supplement pretty much every day. I do take it. I just take one, and that really helps me, not only my hair, my skin, and everything. So that definitely should consider. So the biotin, if you look at the price difference between the Neo hair lotion and the biotin, this is the half the price of the Neo hair lotion. So maybe this is the first time you've been in my channel, and why don't you try with biotin then, because it's half the price. You start with that. I have the link in description box. And if you're working for you, and your diet is good, you're eating healthy, and absolutely that should help. And then if this doesn't work for you, because the only reason I'm not telling you to take the Neo hair lotion, because of the pricing different. Why don't you start with something half the price? Then if you think you need something, this biotin didn't work, so you wanted to go for Neo hair lotion, then you get the Neo hair lotion and use it once every morning. But if your hair situation gets really bad, then you use it afternoon once, in the morning and night. You could use both time. Don't use too much, use a little bit, put it and gently massage it. It dries out pretty quick, and it feels like thicker and fuller hair. Same thing with the biotin. You take it every morning, and just a little bit exactly where you need it, and it smells great. And if immediately you feel like you have a thicker and fuller hair walking out of the door to go to work or whatever, and if you think you need it twice a day, you could use it in the morning or you could use it at night, both time, no big deal. Or you could just use it one time in the morning time. And also, once you recover your hair, you could stop. And there is always people ask me that once I stop, do I lose hair? No, you lose hair because your hair is not getting enough nutrition your hair need. That's the reason you're losing hair, not because you're stopping using biotin or neo hair lotion or any other product. So how you stop hair loss after you recover your hair? I would say many, if you go in my channel playlist, there's many hair oil. There's 100% pure. There's a coconut oil, there's Moroccan oil, there's some like 7 different kind of mixed oil you could find in my channel playlist. Those are the really helpful oil. But right now, if you lost less than 40%, first you do this, get your hair back, and then you get the hair oil. And if you're really serious about it, I would say just get a hair oil, use it overnight, maybe once or twice a week. You use it, I'm sure you're gonna see less and less hair fall. But once you recover your hair, it's very important you give your hair that hair oil every week, once a week or maybe twice a week. You just keep it on your hair for overnight and use it. So this way you keep your hair, you don't lose it back again. So hope this video was helpful to you. So the people were asking me about the ingredients. I told you the biotin half the price, and it works similar, and biotin has been proven for in a long time. And I always tell, if you're in different country, if you're in North America or Canada and UK, you could just go in my link and buy those in the best deal they have. But if you're in like other countries, then definitely you have to check if you have Amazon available to you, check there, or eBay, or check out your local online store to get it. Good luck. Thank you.